Hi everyone! Good morning! Happy weekend! It's Friday! Katatapos ko lang nag-workout and sweat is crying. Oh, grabe. Pinapawisan pa si Inday, si Ate Inday. Ayan. So, kanina is hindi pa ako na-burn nung hindi pa ako nag-workout. And, of course, dahil natapos na akong nag-workout, nag-iba na yung kulay ng aking damit. Ayan yung ebidensya na ako ay nag-workout. Ganon. So, kumusta po kayo? So, right now is umuulan na. And hindi pa naman siya gaanong malakas kasi ambon-ambon pa lang. Nagising ako ng 3 something. And nag-workout na ako after. Ang huling workout ko is March, I think, March 10. So, ngayon lang na naman ako nakapag-workout talaga. And of course, I know naman na I gain weight. So, kailangan na naman nating mag-burn. Walang pakundangan kasi sa kain. Masarap kasi kumain, be. Thanks guys for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye everyone! Have a wonderful day!